Hey everyone, I'm super excited to show you the Hono MCP package in this video. I'm really hyped about this. If you don't know what Hono MCP package is, it's basically, you can imagine all the utility functions that you will require for connecting an MCP server to your Hono application into a single package. Like, that's the best way to explain this. Right now it's still in PR, but we are going to be releasing it soon. So this video is more of an overview of what you'll be expecting. So over here I've got like an MCP server. This is like a basic MCP server with single tool, just basic hello, whatever the name is, and I'm importing this over here, creating my Hono app, and from the Hono MCP package I'm importing that transport. So this is like the HTTP streamable transport layer. I'm creating a new instance over here for this. This transport is different from the official one. This transport is like built for Hono. Inspired by that, like all the layers are being using Hono's internal stuff, and you can connect your MCP server with that transport, and we are handling requests. That's great. Now let's see that in action. I'm going to run the server and also going to start the inspector. So this is a Muppet inspector. This is basically an MCP inspector but on steroids. So we're going to see this. Over here I've already created a config for this, so I'm just going to connect with the localhost 3000/MCP. I'm connected and I'm going to go in the Explorer. I've got the simple hello world shown up over here. If I say my name over here, send, yep, it's working, great. I can keep sending these, it works. So 20 milliseconds roughly, that's what we are seeing over here. And yeah, that's it. That's the basic idea over here. One more thing is, basically, as this is your basic Hono endpoint, you can use your middlewares also for managing permissions. So in this, let's just use the basic logger middleware to see like when the requests are coming in. I'm just going to use this. Now if I like send the request again, I can see like the request coming in over here. So the post request took 5 milliseconds to do this. And also as this is like a very basic MCP server, so this is more like a stateless MCP server, so I can kind of change the implementation in a way like I don't have to create the transport instance again and again. I can just shift it outside, and also don't need to connect it again to this. So I'm just going to use connected to server. I'm just going to remove this just to make this async, I guess, like a proper way. So basically what we can do over here is like, if not connected, we will await that promise, and else we can just manage that request. Let's see, the server is running. Let's send the request again. Yeah, it's working now. Like the response time has been reduced by a lot, and yeah, you can see all the requests over here. It works just like a normal transport or that. Our plan is to add OAuth and other things too in the newer releases. It's still early, I know, and we would love to hear your responses. The PR is still open. If you have any suggestions or anything that you want to include, you can do that, or maybe like start experimenting with it and give us feedback. What issues you have, or like what do you think we should add next? Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this, and let me know what you think.